Alright, YouTube. I got another boat. Yeah, I can't help myself. This one's a little nicer than the last ones, but also has its own problems. It does have good paperwork, thankfully. It has been sitting a while, and it has problems. So this is a 21 or 22 foot, I don't remember, ski boat, I guess you would call it. It's a bow rider. It's not terrible. The outside of it's pretty. The inside of it's not bad. Needs seats. Needs a little trim work. The part that's bad is the transom. So, a friend of mine made me a really good deal on this boat because of such. He was going to try and sell it, and I told him that it's going to be difficult to sell with that. He's not going to get anything. But I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Can you see the flex on video? So what happened, it's not normal rot. It actually had termites in it. Formosan termites somehow got in here, and the moisture that was in the boat was enough to sustain them. They ate the transom, and then like a few things like this. They ate the backing out from behind these. So like only some of them. So what I'm doing right now, this motor runs, I'm about to remove it off of here. I'm going to build some kind of crane or something to lift it off. And I went by there's an old guy in town. He's been doing fiberglass for, since Moses was here. And he claims that if I take the top cap off here, this aluminum and the top fiberglass here, I should be able to clean all this out. All the nasty wood, I should be able to clean all that out of there. Slide new wood in with resin on it, and it should fix it. That was his claim. He said because he doesn't think that the transom goes past here, which you can see inside of these two little side pieces, and it goes straight through. There's no transom right here, so it should stop right there. If that's the case, then that's how it's going to be fixed. If that's not the case, then I got to bring it somewhere and get it properly fixed. So we're going to see. Yeah, I know it's not the appropriate way to do it. The best way you're supposed to do is cut the whole back of the boat off, and I'm not doing that. This is a cheap boat. It's not worth it. If it needs all that much work, it's going to get cut up, and the trailer will be sold, and the motor will be sold, because the trailer's good. But if I can halfway repair it, I mean, it's usable now, but it does have flex, and I don't want to risk it cracking. So, that's that. I'm working on removing the motor. Got a lot of things to disconnect there. And then another thing it needs is the fuel tank dealt with. Supposedly it leaks. That's why there's a thingy there. But the main inside tank supposedly leaks. However, I filled it up to the neck with water, and there isn't any leaking out. So I don't know. Maybe it's self-sealed. But that's it. Comment, rate, subscribe. Any questions, concerns? Unless you're going to tell me I'm doing it wrong, then you know where to go. It is about 100 degrees out right now. It is very hot. Mr. Sun is not being nice today. So that's it for your video for today. Comment, rate, subscribe. Have an awesome day.